Hi, this is Attorney Joe Mitchell, YourHarvardAttorney.com, representing Greater Philadelphia with personal injury, criminal offense, and DUI. And today I'd like to talk to you about what to do if you're in a car accident. Now, the first thing you have to do is report this to your insurance company. There are other steps, obviously, that are on the scene, but once you get out of the scene, one of the very important things that you need to do is to report the accident to your insurance company. And you can do that by calling your insurance company. Their number is always going to be on your insurance card. You can look at your policy, but you do need to call them and let them know that you were in an accident and get a claim number. And this is true whether you were at fault or whether you were not at fault. So one of the things you should know that is if you don't do that, even if you're not at fault, if you don't do that, and for some reason someone comes after you, or you're talking about getting payment for medical benefits, which comes from your insurance company, many times they will deny the benefits if you don't report the accident within a certain amount of time. Second thing is, and this is also very important, don't give a statement to the other company's insurance agent. Because what happens is they will, let's say that they rear-ended you. They'll report it to their insurance company and saying, I just got in this accident, and they may have collision insurance and their insurance company is paying for their collision, or they just know that they need to report this accident to their company. But then what happens is that you end up they end up calling you and saying, hey, we'd like to get a statement from you about what happened here. And if you give them a statement, then the only thing they're going to do is the same thing that the police do when you give them a statement when they're suspecting you of a crime. They will use it against you. Do not give a statement to the other person's insurance company. Now, your insurance company, you can give a statement, and I would recommend that you first talk to an attorney before you give a formal statement to your insurance company. You can give them a general statement when you call them. But the main thing is, if you give a statement, now what I'd recommend, here's what I recommend. If you know that the other company's insurance company is calling you, don't answer the phone. Just don't answer it. Now, if they somehow get you on the phone, then just tell them that you've retained an attorney or that you're going to speak to an attorney before you give any kind of statement. This will protect you. Don't get into conversations with them. It's just not going to pay off. So there are the two important things. Report it to your insurance